Seasons Elixir channel. This is unexpected because there is fireworks and it's not even the 4th of July. It's March 6th. And I think people are just being crazy. I don't know what they're doing with... woo! So this, I think they might think it's 4th of July, but it's really March 6th. Oh, look at that.
Whoa, that one's pretty.
Sweet, look at that.
Buddy Bear likes the fireworks. It's okay.
My dog doesn't know what's going on. He's never seen fireworks before.
It's okay, baby. Look at him, Mommy.
Woo! It's
okay.
like
Look
cheerleading thingies. Woo! Bam!
Do you want to keep looking? Look at them.
Oh,
They're pretty.
it's awesome. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, sweet.
I like the shapes.
So do I.
Yeah. Ah.
Sounds like from the Hunger Games. That's the sound it makes when
Whoa!
somebody
Oh, yeah. But people just constantly are dying, you know.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa, that's pretty.
sweet. That is like rapid fire.
That's so pretty.
It's like they're blowing up stuff in the sky, but it's like an airstrike, but they're firing it up in the air.
That's
Oh, sweet.
That's incredible.
They're like bombs, like flying, like an airstrike, but they're firing it up in the air,
And they're not
it's
hurting anybody.
Yeah, like and it's not going down, you know.
Well, look at the smoke it left.
I think they're
I think that was the
Excellent.
finale.
woo.